Okay. How many eggs do you think an alligator can lay? Sit down, Katie. How many eggs do you think an alligator can lay?
5.
5?
5. Yeah.
That's what you think?
That's 2 for me. Mine got these legs.
What?
I got 2 legs.
You got 2 legs?
Yeah.
You do have 2 legs.
I got 2 hands. I got 1 hand. I got 2 eyes.
That's right.
And 1 foot.
Yeah, that's a good thing, isn't it? Right?
This is nasty.
What?
Eggs are nasty.
Okay, so how many eggs can a alligator lay?
5.
5?
Yeah.
How about 50?
Yeah.
50.
50.
Where do you think they would lay the eggs?
In the water.
In the water?
In the water.
What about, how long do you think the babies stay with the mommy alligator?
Track.
What are you saying? You do it. Do it again. Say ah. That's right. Is that what Allie Alligator says? Yeah.
No.
How do you think an alligator swims?
No body.
How do you think it swims? Show me. Is that how an alligator would swim?
Yeah.
How would an alligator swim?
I'll show you.
Okay. Okay.
I'll put them. Right here.
Okay, put them right there.
I'll show you like alligator.
Okay, show me.
Get on the water.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Do this.
Oh, that's a very good job. I think that's pretty correct. I think you're right.
No, not.
How do you think an alligator walks? How would an alligator walk? Like that?
Yeah.
Yeah? How do you think an alligator walks?
I do it.
Is that what an alligator does? He does some fancy little dance moves? Vinny, you're funny. You make me laugh. You got some fancy alligator moves there. Is that how Allie Alligator dances?
Yeah.
Show me. Man, you got some fancy dance moves there, man. Where did you learn to do that?
At school.
Oh, at school?
Who does it?
You are hilarious. Did you learn these moves from your dad or your mom?
My daddy.
Your daddy?
My daddy's name is Sandre.
I know your daddy. Is this how you dance or Allie Alligator dances? But who dances this way? You? You or Allie Alligator? Who dances this way? You or Allie Alligator? Oh, you're silly. Thanks for the good